Walton Learning. Vocabulary Workshop. Orange. Unit 14. Bats and their diet. For many centuries, it was rare for a bat to receive a compliment. Instead of praise, many unflattering myths were told about them. People blamed bats for diseases and bad luck. Now we know better about these amazing creatures, which make up about 1/4 of Earth's mammals. Scientists no longer deliberate about the benefits that bats bring to our human world. These advantages are plain to see, and bats are considered an absolute benefit to the environment. Experts have carried out thorough research on the diet of bats. About 70% of the 1,000 or so bat species live on a diet of insects, flies, mosquitoes, moths, and beetles. Imagine a dense group or colony of 1 million or so insect-eating bats. They huddle together in a cave during the day and then fly out to hunt at night. Each bat will eat up to 1/3 of its weight in insects. Without bats, pest control for us humans would be far more difficult. This animal's activity in nature now seems like a necessity to keep our world in balance.